Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, you will find out how you can secure cloud storage with pCloud for free in 2025. If you're looking for free and secure cloud storage, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any other browser that you're using and search for pCloud. And go ahead to click on the first link that pops up. You'll be directed to the main page where to get free cloud storage. You'll need to create an account. So go ahead and click on sign up for free. You can sign up with your mail address, Facebook account, Google account, or even your Apple account. Once signed in, now you officially have free cloud storage. If you click on this pop-up, you can see your storage and the ways that you can get even more free storage. Like you'll start up with 3 GB of cloud storage, but if you perform some tasks, you can get even more, for example, by uploading a file, downloading the app on desktop and mobile, turning on automatic uploads, and inviting friends to upload any file or folder. Click on the add option from the top right corner and you can upload files, folders here. Just select your file and wait for it to upload. And as you can see, I got more storage for just completing a task of uploading a file. You can also put their paid plans if you want more storage, like 500 GB, 2 TB OT, 10 TB. And that is how you can secure cloud storage with pCloud for completely free in 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.